Today I'm going to show you how to disable sound preference in Base44 in just a few quick steps. If you've been getting notification sounds you don't want, or you simply prefer a quieter workspace, this will help you turn them off fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your account. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand navigation bar. In that left sidebar, click Preferences. This section contains different behavior and notification options you can control. Now on the Preferences page, look for the Sound Preferences section. Under that section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to view the available sound settings. From the list of options, select Disable Notification Sounds. As soon as you choose that option, Base44 will stop playing notification sounds for your account. That's all there is to it. You've now disabled sound preference in Base44 and made the app a little quieter and less distracting. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials on the channel for more Base44 tips and quick fixes.